Hello friends, welcome to Align Pattern. Today we are going to discuss basic computer fundamentals, questions and answers. This will help you to succeed in upcoming exams and interview perspective. So let's get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Question number 1 is, who is the father of computer? And the answer is Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage, who was born in 1791, is regarded as the father of computing because of his research into machines that could calculate. In 1837, Charles Babbage proposed the first general mechanical computer, the analytical engine, which contains an ALU, that is the arithmetic logic unit, basic flow control, punch cards, inspired by the Jacquard loom, and integrated memory. Question number 2 is, who coined the term personal computer? As we have seen, the father of computer is Charles Babbage. The father of personal computer is Henry Edward Roberts. He is the one who coined the term personal computer. Question number 3 is, what is the correct abbreviation of computer? Commonly operated machine used in technical and educational research is the correct abbreviation of computer. It was thought that a computer is a device that is used to perform calculation. So the word computer also relates to the word compute, which means to calculate. Question number 4. What is the full form of CPU? The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. The CPU is known as the brain of a computer and it performs all the basic logical and arithmetic operations and transmits the programs of a computer. Question number 5. In how many generations a computer can be classified? Answer is 5. From 1st generation to 5th generation, computer can be classified. The period of first generation is 1946 to 1959, which is based on vacuum tube. Then the period of second generation is 1959 to 1965, transistor based. Third generation period is based on integrated circuit in 1965 to 1971. And the period of fourth generation is 1971 to 1980, VLSI microprocessor based. Fifth generation period is 1980 onwards, based on ULSI microprocessor. Then based on this VLSI and ULSI, our sixth question is, what is the full form of ULSI and VLSI? The full form of ULSI and VLSI is ultra large scale integration and very large scale integration. The ULSI term used in the electronic chip manufacturing industry for an integrated circuit, that is ICs, which contain more than 1 million components per chip. And the full form of VLSI is very large scale integration. VLSI is the process of creating an integrated circuit by integrating hundreds of thousands of transistors onto a single chip. Question number 7 is, batch processing was mainly used in which generation? Answer is first generation. In first generation, batch processing was mainly used. In this generation, punch cards, paper tape, magnetic tape, input and output device were also used. Question number 8 is, DTP computer abbreviation usually means? Answer is desktop publishing. Desktop publishing is basically the creation of documents using page layout software on a personal desktop computer. Common example of desktop publishing software include Adobe FrameMaker, Adobe PageMaker, Adobe InDesign, etc. Question number 9 is, CD computer abbreviation usually means? Answer is compact disc. Compact disc is a digital optical disc data storage format. The format was originally developed to store and play only sound recordings, but was later adopted for storage of data. Question number 10. .bak extension refers usually to what kind of file? Answer is backup file. Backup file protect your data in the event of system failure or any file corruption. Question number 11. .tmp extension refers usually to what kind of file? Answer is temporary file. A temporary file is any file created by a program that serves a temporary purpose. Question number 12. In which year @sign was first chosen for its use in email address? Answer is in 1972. @sign was first chosen for its use in email address. Basically, the email address generally has two parts, user ID and the domain name. The @ symbol is used to separate the user ID from the domain name in the email address. Question number 13. What is the term to ask the computer to put information in order numerically or alphabetically? And the answer is sort. Basically, sorting means arrange data in a proper or correct sequence. Question number 14. What does it call to change computer language of ones and zeros to characters that a person can understand? Answer is decode. Basically, decode is nothing but to take out of code and put into understandable language. Question number 15. The first web server was built in. Answer is in 1990, Geneva, Switzerland. By the end of 1990, Tim Berners-Lee had the first web server and browser up and running at CERN, the huge particle physics lab in Switzerland. Question number 16. Which person was the first to offer a definition of the term computer virus? Answer is Fred Cohen in 1983. A computer virus is a malicious software program loaded onto a user's computer without the user's knowledge. The term computer virus was first formally defined by the Fred Cohen in 1983. Question number 17. Which is a device that changes information into digital form? Answer is digitizer. A digitizer is a hardware device that receives analog information such as sound or light and records it digitally. Question number 18. What is the smallest unit of the information? And the answer is bit. The smallest unit of the information is a bit. All information is stored in the computer as a bits. Question number 19. What is the term for a temporary storage area that compensates for a differences in data rate and data flow between devices? Answer is buffer. Basically, buffer is a region of physical memory storage used to temporarily store data while it is being moved from one place to another. Question number 20. A light-sensitive device that converts drawing, printed text or other images into digital form is. Answer is scanner. Scanner is a computer input device that uses a light beam to scan codes, text or graphic images directly into a computer system. This was our basic question. On the next slide we will see some more difficult questions, so stay tuned.